Good morning, students. Children, now we move on to our next chapter for revision, that is lesson number 4, the Western Desert. In the western part of India lies the Great Desert. The desert is the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert, as you can see in your atlas, which is in the western part of our country. And children, this Western Desert, it lies mainly in Rajasthan, and also it extends from Rann of Kutch of Gujarat to parts of Haryana in the north. So it is, as you can see, near the Aravalli range. You can see in this atlas or the map which is in front of you. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the borders of the Haryana state, and this region is very rocky and sandy, and it is in the west of Aravalli range, this western part of Aravalli range. So this desert, by the name desert you can understand, the climate will be very hot and dry. The temperature soars to almost 47 to 49 degrees Celsius in the summertime, but nights are relatively cool because, as we discussed, that the sand it gets hotter much faster than water, and it also cools down much faster than water. Regarding as you can understand, the temperature is very high and it is very dry region. This region hardly gets any rainfall. Maximum there is 25 centimeter of rainfall annually. Luni is one of the most important river that flows through Rajasthan. So what happened? There is an extreme scarcity of water in this region, and the government has built a canal called Indira Gandhi Canal, which is coming from Satluj river, which we discussed. It is in the northern plains, flowing through the northern plains, and a canal has been built from that region to water the crops in this region, and for other purposes, for drinking or other purposes in industry also we need water. So this Indira Gandhi Canal has brought a great relief to the people of Rajasthan. Children, whenever we think of a desert, we think of the sand dunes. Sand dunes are nothing but hills of sand, which is extremely dangerous during the storm. It keeps on shifting. Then we have a lot of natural vegetation, mainly thorny forest, and you have kejri, kikar, barbel trees, as you can see in front of you, kejri tree. Then camel, as you know, it's a famous animal, and it is known as the ship of the desert because it can walk. For a long distance in this hot sand because they have padded feet, and they can store water, and they can move without water for many days because they store their water in the as you can see, this sand dunes. And the next thing is about, children, oasis. Now what is oasis, children? We have discussed that oasis is a lush green area surrounded by water source in the desert. In some places in the desert, a little bit of water is found, and that place you can find some greenery. You find date palms, trees growing here. Dates, as you know, is a very good product found in the desert area. So these are called oasis. A little bit of greenery you find in these region. Different type of animals are also found, not only camels but other animals like chimkara, the great Indian bustards, or the black bucks are also found here. Children, the farmers, they generally go mustard, wheat and cotton over here. Then we have these tankas, which are places where the people storing rainwater in tankas because water scarcity, because they move. You must have seen in Rajasthan, the ladies move with the pots and they walk for long distances to fetch water. This is a sketch of Indira Gandhi Canal to show how people. Now Rajasthani food is also very famous. Dal bati churma, you know, it's a famous dish of Rajasthan. Now children, you must have seen the ladies, they wear ghagra choli with oni, and the men wear dhoti kurta. These are the traditional dress of the people of Rajasthan, and turban on their heads. And you know, there are different festivals which are very famous in Rajasthan, like Teej, Gangur, and you have this festival of Teej and Gangur are the famous festival. And then you have the Pushkar Mela, that is Pushkar Fair, which is very famous in this Rajasthan. And children, this fair is a religious fair which is held every Kartik month, where they worship Lord Brahma. Now children, you know about the different dance forms which are very famous in this region, that is Kalbelia and Ghumar. Okay, so these are the dance forms which are very famous over here. And children, this Rajasthan is also very famous for different important forts and palaces which are built. Many people all over the world visit Rajasthan, and the important places or the important cities of Rajasthan are Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner. So these are some of the big cities of Rajasthan, and people come to visit the forts and palaces in this place. So this is all about our state, Rajasthan, and Jaipur is known as the Pink City, which is the capital of Rajasthan. So this is all about the Western Desert, which is in the western part of India, the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. Okay, thank you.